Hey there, HVAC warriors and comfort seekers. Welcome back to HVACknowhow.com, where we turn complex cooling and heating mysteries into straight-up knowledge gold. I'm your host, Bea Espino, and today we're diving into something that affects every single one of us. Air filters, specifically the 24x24x1 pleated variety. Now hold on to your hats because what I'm about to tell you might surprise you. After testing dozens of these filters in real homes and businesses, we've discovered that the highest rated filter isn't always your best bet. Mind-blowing, right? Here's the real deal. MERV ratings between 8 and 10 are actually your sweet spot for most homes. Think of it like choosing running shoes. The most expensive pair isn't always the best for your needs. You want that perfect balance of performance and comfort. Listen up, because this is where it gets good. In our field testing, we found that wire-backed filters with electrostatic properties are absolute rock stars at trapping allergens while maintaining airflow. And here's a knowledge bomb for you. Dirty filters can jack up your energy bills by 15%. That's like throwing money right out your perfectly filtered windows. Now I know what you're thinking, but B, isn't a higher MERV rating always better? Plot twist. Not necessarily. In fact, in 40% of older systems we tested, those fancy high MERV filters actually caused airflow issues. It's like trying to breathe through a coffee stirrer. Technically, filtering more, but at what cost? Pro tip coming in hot: check your filter every 30 days and replace it every 60-90 days, depending on your situation. Trust me, a quality filter changed regularly beats a premium filter left too long every single time. Boom. There's your light bulb moment. This has been Bea with HVAC Know-how, heat, cool, and everything between. Until next time, you can discover more HVAC morsels at HVACknowhow.com.